Hi guys, my name is Anjali and today we're going to be exploring density. To do so, we're going to do a fun experiment known as a density tower. You can do it with household liquids such as honey, soap, water, oil, rubbing alcohol, and a tall glass to put everything into. This is optional, but you can also have food coloring. I normally use 2 different colors for the coloring, and today I'm doing blue for the water and red for the rubbing alcohol so you can tell them apart. Remember, some of the liquids we're using should not be consumed, and just to be on the safe side, do not drink anything that's part of the experiment, but especially do not ingest the soap, oil, and rubbing alcohol. To do the experiment, first we'll pour in the honey and then the soap. For these 2 liquids, you want to try to slowly pour them in the middle and not let them run down the side. Next, we pour in the water. To make it easier to see, like I mentioned before, I'm putting blue food coloring into it before I pour it into my container. And after the water, we'll pour in the oil and finally the rubbing alcohol with the red food coloring. And look at that, our experiment is done. Notice how all of the liquids are in nice layers. This is because each liquid has a different density. Density is based on atoms and molecules. Those are tiny particles that make up everything in the world. Some liquids have a lot of those tiny particles and they're all crammed together. They have a higher density and are generally heavier, so they sink to the bottom. Some liquids don't have a lot of particles and they're spread far apart. Those liquids generally have a lower density and so they float to the top. But look, both the rubbing alcohol and the water mixed in the middle. Why is that? This happens because both the rubbing alcohol and the water have fairly close densities, so their particles can mix. And that's all for today. Try out this experiment with other liquids around your house. Add some solids too, like ice or marbles, and see where they go. See if you can guess what their densities are. Remember to do this experiment with a parent, just in case. I'll see you guys next time.